Ultimatum, gas retailers on the warpath after Rubis takes over a station in St. Anne. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, lies. Bogwalk Gorge divers deny claims they're refusing to help drowning people unless they're paid.
Unfair. Nurses Association says the government is bringing in Cuban nurses and paying them more.
Remembering Lindy, colleagues and friends mourn the late former sportscaster, sportsman and journalist Lindy De La Pena.
Senseless. Cops probe the killing of a 13-year-old in Kingston.
In business news, do more. The finance minister makes the argument for interest rates to be lowered.
There's also sports commentary and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
Should divers in the Bogwalk Gorge in St. Catherine be paid for saving someone's life?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.